Welcome to Dad Got This and another episode of Dad Got Box. This is an ice maker. The ice maker in my refrigerator is very small, and whenever we have parties, it's hard for it to make enough ice, so we have to go out and buy ice. Well, the nice people over at Northclan decided to fix Dad's problem for him. They sent me this unit for review. Heads up, I do get to keep this item. I didn't pay for it, but they don't get any input on my video. They don't get to review it before. This will be my honest opinion of this unit. Let's get into it. First thing we have to do is open the box. First up, a must-know, a user manual, and a warranty certificate. All right, let's attempt and get this bad boy out of here. This never ever goes well, but we're gonna try it. That went better than expected. I present to you the Northclan ICM1226. I have no idea anything about this other than it is a 1.5 liter ice maker. I'll take a look and see what some of these other stickers say. Keep the machine upright for 24 hours before first use. Do not tilt the machine. And get this bad boy out. I've done all that. Only fill tank with water. Any other liquid is not allowed, such as coffee. Duh. Apparently people have tried to put coffee in this. Let's pull this little sticker off. This is about as simple as it gets. There is a button to turn it on. It has an indicator to say that the ice is full, and then when you need to refill your water. Let's see what else we have here. So we can tilt that up. Oh, we have like a little cute ice scoop. It's so tiny. And then there are some parts in here. Little tray. I don't know how much ice this thing's gonna make. Looks pretty small. All right, nope. This is not a ice maker that kind of like stores and holds ice. It says that once it's done making ice, you're supposed to remove the ice cubes and place them in the freezer for storage. So I guess this is more of a way to make your own ice and then store it, as opposed to like a unit you could just have on your shelf and grab ice from. Before the first use, we're supposed to remove all the packaging. During transportation, do not tilt the machine for more than 45 degrees. Do not reverse the machine. This may damage the compressor and the sealing system. Yeah, I did that. But that's not fair because, I mean, they shipped this to me in a box and it's probably been upside down, left, right, all over the truck. Before using the machine, let it sit and leave the cover open for 24 hours. Open the lid and take out the basket and add water. Should not exceed the max level. The ice produced in the 5 cycles is not perfect. When the ice is full, take out the ice immediately, yada, yada, yada. You're supposed to clean it once a week. There's a bunch of stuff here. All right, so I think what we need to do is let this thing rest upright for 24 hours so that we can make sure that we didn't damage anything before we put it through its paces. I will see you in, I don't know, a while, maybe a couple days, because this has to rest, then I have to make ice, and then we have to get to the rest of this video, which is gonna be making some awesome drinks with some ice. All right, remember when I said we were gonna come back a little bit later? Well, it's a lot later, but I've tested the ice maker, I've made ice. I now have a helper.
Hello.
Because it's summer break and the kiddo is home with me.
Woo!
Woo! So we are gonna make some drinks. Some kid-friendly drinks, and then one dad-friendly drink. This ice maker filled its basket in about 2 hours from being completely off to being turned on. Then after that, it was a little bit over an hour and a half to fill the basket again. It makes nice bullet style ice, and we've got nice little bullet style ice. The kiddo is excited because it has holes in it. And I'm gonna move this to the side so we can make some ice. No, we already made ice. We can make some drinks. The first drink we are gonna try to make is the Pineapple Quencher from the Filipino fast food restaurant Jollibee. After much research, I found out it's basically just watered down pineapple juice with sugar added to make it to the sweetness you want. We have pineapple juice.
And we're going to add a lot of sugar.
Are we? I don't know. This is already sweetened pineapple juice, so we'll see how sweet it is. So the first step, kiddo, we need is our little shaker. I'm gonna get you the ice scooper, okay?
Okay.
Ah, where'd our ice scooper go?
You're back.
I am. They give you a nice ice scooper, a tiny little one, but I apparently have misplaced it. It's in the house somewhere. We have this one. Okay, scoop out some ice. There you go. Pop it in there. That's okay. No harm, no foul. Awesome.
5-second rule. And Daddy, when you were gone, I danced in front of the camera.
Oh my gosh. I didn't know that. All right, we're gonna shake this up a little bit.
Can you smell it? Smells
Smells like pineapple.
like pineapple.
And then let's get a straw. Did I catch you dancing again? Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little taste. Give that a taste.
I think it's needs a little sugar.
A little sugar and a little water, I think.
Yeah, sugar and water. Because that's straight up pineapple.
All right, the Pineapple Quencher from Jollibee is more juicy than this. This is a little bit thicker. So for now, we're just gonna put in
Sugar.
I don't know, a heaping spoon of sugar.
2.
No, we don't wanna make this thing too sweet.
Okay. Can I stir it?
Hold on, we don't see, that's the nice thing about this. We don't have to stir it.
Oh, really?
Watch. And then we're gonna pour in a little bit of water, I think.
Oh.
Now, the
I
cool
stir
thing,
it?
watch, hold on. Put that in your thing. You take this, and you put that there like this, and that like that, and you can,
Can I do it?
okay, you gotta hold it tight, and then shake.
So cold.
It is, it's very cold.
It's perfect when it's summertime and it's hot and sunny outside.
And the nice thing about it when it does that, it makes it kind of frothy.
Oh, frothy.
And now you go ahead and give it another taste.
I'm mixing it.
You don't have to mix it, we just mixed it.
Yeah, it's so frothy. I'm trying to. It's good.
That pretty much tastes like the Pineapple Quencher from Jollibee.
Hey.
All right, now what we're gonna do is the kiddo has her favorite cup. This is a cup we got over at Longboards. So when we stayed in Cocoa Beach at a resort, but the reason she likes it is it lights up. Now we'll pour you. And then the whole point of this entire video is, hold on,
What?
it's about the ice. We're gonna throw a couple ice cubes in there for your drink. There you go. Good?
It's really good.
Yeah, all right.
You definitely should try it.
The next drink we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a concoction because we also have mango juice. So what happens if we add some mango juice to the pineapple juice with a little bit of grenadine and we make some sort of dad and kiddo fruity concoction?
Yeah.
What should we call it?
The Daddy and Ellie special?
The Daddy and Ellie special.
Special!
Sounds good. Oh, yes, with the flair. I have opened up the mango.
Pour some in.
Let's pour some in.
Pour.
Ooh.
Can I smell it now?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells way more mango. The pineapple is gone.
It doesn't smell like pineapple anymore?
Smell it.
Oh, very mango-y, you're right.
Now, let's
Now?
add the syrup.
Just a dash.
Tell me when to stop.
Good. Well, we gotta put a little bit more ice in there. Why are you obsessed with the stir?
I don't know.
And Dad is going to do his best Tom Cruise from Cocktail. Oh, you didn't even see it. It was movie magic over here. Look at that. Oh, so good. All right. Now that we have made an ungodly mess because I have a terrible cocktail shaker that leaks, we are going to try the Daddy and Ellie special.
Special!
That's good.
What does it taste like?
Taste it. Give it a try.
Tastes like mango.
Yeah. The final drink we're gonna make is a drink that the kiddo cannot partake in, unfortunately.
Because it has alcohol in it.
Yes, it is going to be a daddy
Can
drink.
we have a cherry?
Yes, we're actually gonna use those.
Cherry.
They are the cherries that Daddy likes, that you never really tried them, so you should give it a try. Hold on, let me get a fork. Okay.
I wasn't dancing.
Oh, you weren't? I didn't think you were.
Okay, I was dancing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
I wasn't dancing while you were away. For the daddy drink, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour some of this and a couple cherries in the bottom. This is Dad's favorite rum. It is a coconut rum, which is hilarious because I don't like the taste of shredded coconut, but coconut rum, I do like. So we will throw a healthy amount of coconut rum. And then we're gonna top it off with some Daddy and Ellie special. And I think that's a really pretty looking drink.
Yeah, I'm so sad I can't have it.
Well, you basically do have it. If you want me to put some of the juice in there, you wanna try? So we'll put a little bit in there. It's gonna change the color.
Right.
Then we're gonna pour some of the Daddy and Ellie special.
Okay.
And now you have the kiddo version of the exact same drink that Daddy's drinking.
Yep.
But now I need a fancy straw, don't I? I'm cutting some blood orange
Ooh, can I try some? Ooh,
for a little garnish.
pretty.
All right, give it a try.
Wait, cheers to summer.
Cheers to summer. Give it a try.
So good.
Ooh, Dad's has got a punch, but it's delicious. The Northclan Icemaker did its job. It makes ice, makes nice ice, bullet-shaped ice. I wish it maybe made more ice and faster. As far as like being enough ice for a party, I don't know about that. So far, I have no real complaints about it. I knew what I was getting into when I got it, the size and everything. I'd love more ice, but it works. It doesn't store the ice. Keep that in mind. Once it makes the ice, you have to take the ice out and put it in a freezer or use it. It is not going to continually store ice. It just makes cold ice and boom, you gotta keep filling it. One of the things I like most about it is I can fill it with my reverse osmosis water and I'm getting the cleanest possible ice so it doesn't affect the taste of drinks or anything like that. Definitely worth looking into if this is the kind of thing that you need in your life. If you need to be able to make ice in a small space, or you want to be able to have extra ice for a party and this will just keep kind of going as people use ice, that could work for you. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye.
One last thing, before that, I do want to remind you, Northclan sent me this ice. They sent me this ice. They sent me, one more thing if I can actually speak. They sent Dad this ice maker for free. I didn't have to pay for it, but this is my own honest opinion of the ice maker, not reviewed by them. They don't get to tell me what to say. This is Dad's review. Now, Dad may completely not be able to say things, but
Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye.